Here is a complete tutorial guide on how to join the Swarmbase airdrop. I've made a review on Swarmbase already. You can go and watch my previous video on that. So Swarmbase is an on-chain AI agent platform, and the team have raised millions of dollars from their investors, and they have confirmed 20% allocation of their token supply to their community. So basically, this video is going to be all about how to join the Swarmbase airdrop. Before we get started, I would like to give this advice. If you are using an Android phone, please use MetaMask wallet to avoid having any issues while doing this. And if you are using an iPhone, you can use either your Trust wallet, your MetaMask, or any other wallet that you are currently using. But for Android users, please use MetaMask wallet. And before we get started, don't forget to hit on the follow button for me, like, and also share with your contact as well. So let's get into it, guys. The link to the Swarmbase airdrop is in the description of this video. You can also get it by going to my Telegram community. It's at CryptoSam_Sam. Just search for CryptoSam_Sam on your Telegram app, and you see my Telegram community. Join and click on the pin message. You will see the details about the airdrop right there, and copy the link and head over to your MetaMask wallet and paste the link right there. Now, this is my MetaMask wallet right here. Click on Explore, then paste the link right here. So you can see it right here. So now you just have to connect your wallet. Click on Connect Wallets. So my wallets have been connected. Now, the reason why my wallet connects immediately is because I have connected my wallet before now. Okay. So in your own case, after connecting your wallet, you have to go down here. You will see where they will ask you to register. You can see it right here. Just click on register. If you are seeing any wallet address right there, don't delete the wallet address. Okay. Don't try to delete the wallet address and put in your own wallet address. It will not work. It's just like you are trying to refer yourself. Okay. That is my own wallet address, which I used to refer you. So just click on register to register, because some of you are trying to delete the wallet address and put your own wallet address. It will not work. All right. So just click on register. Once you register, that is it. Then come down right here and click on daily checked in. I have checked in already for this wallet. Okay. Yeah. Then come down right here and mint this Pioneer NFT right here. Once you have minted it, you have done for this page for now. You can just go down and see if there's any data you can pick here. You can claim here. There is nothing to claim here for now. Okay. You can see your referral code right here. You can copy your referral and give to whoever you want to give it to. Okay. Now to continue with the task, here's what you have to do. Come down right here and click on swarmbase.io. Are you seeing it here? Click on it. Now this is the page right here. Then now go down and click on open dApp. So now this is the dApp platform where you have to be, completing tasks and be earning points. All right, so you can see my current points right here for this wallet, and you can see my check-in this thing right here, which is 75, and my wallet address is right there too. So right now we have to do some certain things right here to increase these points. Okay, but please take note, you will need to have some BNB in your wallet, maybe $1 equivalent or $2 equivalent that you'll be using, to complete because whatever you are doing right here is recorded on chain. They are on their mainnet already, not test nets. Okay, so gas fee is required and it needs to be BNB. Okay, so right now to complete all these tasks, you can see right here you can clone a website, full stack, and just take a look at what we have right here. Okay, now let's clone a website. Click on clone website and go down here. You will see that it's analyzing. You can see here that it's analyzing. So you want to clone Stripe websites right now. You can see the website is cloning. The AI agent is building Stripe websites for you, a clone of Stripe websites. All right, now you can see the Stripe website is ready already. So let's claim this now. To claim it, just click on continue to claim. This is that you have done one task. Click on continue. So right now, you can see the website right here. You can view the complete website by click on open. You can see the website that the AI just built for you right now. A clone website of what was it called? Of Stripe. Okay, so you can just go back, click on this back arrow button right here. Don't click on this one at the top. Click on this one at the bottom right here. Okay, so you have done that. The next thing you want to do is this. You can also do for this competition. You can see that my points have increased right here. Okay, right? Yeah. Let's do this competition. Okay, competitive landscape report. Click on it. And allow the AI to also, analyze and do the same thing it did while working on the website just now. Go down, you can see it right here. Okay, yeah, just basically testing the website, testing their AI, using their AI and others. Okay. Yeah, this one is done. Let's check another one again. Which one should you do? Which one should you do again? Let's go with a full stack or token launch campaign. Okay, yeah, deploy. Just click on deploy. Okay, it's analyzing now. Okay, yeah, this is it right here. building your app. Okay, it's still building. So once it's done building, you can continue with every other once again. Click on this once again, and yeah, just it's basically just be testing it. Press any button you see right here. Just be tapping on it. You will not spoil anything here. Okay, this is a front end, not a back end. You will not spoil anything here. Just be tapping and be trying everything out right here. Okay, you can add your own agents and do more things here. You can see it right here, add agents and more. Okay, check agents, gallery, just test everything. Test everything. The more you are testing all these things, the more points you are accumulating. All right. So now let's check our points. Let me refresh this page and see how many points we have got so far for the little things we have done already. Click on this refresh button right here. Okay. I think the point is not forthcoming yet. So let's do something now. Now on daily basis, you have to check in on daily basis. All right. Now to check in, here's what you have to do. Just come down right here. You will see points here. Right now, click on these points to check in on daily basis. All right. So I've checked in for today already. Now you have to connect your wallet again to check in. All right. So this is this right here. Just come down right here. You will see check in. Then click on this check in to check in for that day. Then come down right here and see if there's anything you can claim. If there's nothing to claim, then go back to the DApp page again by clicking on this swarmbase.io. Then you come down right here and click on open DApp. Just the same way we did it previously. So yeah, that is basically it on how to join the Swarmbase airdrop. Hope it's not that difficult, guys. Yeah, I'm not sure it's difficult. You can see now that my points have increased to 1,800, right? Yeah, so sometimes it might get delayed. Sometimes, yeah, it will just update automatically. That does it, guys. So yeah, if you want to know how to also participate on the Oberium airdrop, don't forget to follow because I'll be making video on that also. So you don't want to miss that very one as well. If you find this helpful, don't forget to share with your contact and also drop a thought in the comment section. Like for me, please. Your like is very important to me. And as always, follow for more updates. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.